way to display your collectibles during the holidays. I picked up this lantern at Kirkland's. Many craft stores have these decorative lanterns. I saw a few at Michael's and even at Marshall's. I picked this one because it is very tall and it doesn't have any glass, so it will be very easy for us to maneuver around inside. Just have to remove this. It's a glass cylinder because this is supposed to be used with the candle. However, that's not what we're using it for. The opening on this lantern is a little under 14 inches, so our collectible figures can stand inside. However, it took me a minute to find one this tall. If you decide to go with a shorter one, then you can always have your models sit rather than stand. Ours has this circle base inside. It's not coming off. Oh wait, I think it might. There is a bolt on the bottom, so let's just use some tools and we can remove the little dish, plate, cylinder, tray thing. This looks like it could totally be used as a gazebo, but I'm just going to use it to make a small, very small mini scene. So I measure the inside and cut scrapbook paper to fit inside. I am not going to glue that down just in case I want to change it later. But I am going to take the scrapbook paper and glue it to a piece of cardboard, cut it out, giving us a surface that we can glue things to if we want. And I don't have to worry about my paper moving around. I need to make a small hole in the floor that lines up with the hole in the lantern. Use a pencil to mark it from underneath, then carefully make a small hole in the cardboard. Take battery-operated LED lights, run them through the hole in the bottom of the lantern and through the floor. Tape it underneath, leaving the switch facing out, so we can turn the lights on and off. I decided to go with 2 sets of lights so our scene is well lit. I take the tree that we got at Five Below for $3 and glue it onto the floor right next to the lights. I'm using hot glue and I'm careful not to glue the wires. Begin wrapping the lights around the tree. I'm going to turn them on so I can get a better view of where I'm placing the lights. I'm trying to place them as even as possible going around this tree. There we go. Take felt, cut out a circle, cut out the middle, cut through to the center, glue on ribbon, place it around the bottom of the tree for a tree skirt. Let's add some garland. We got this at Michael's. I thought I was gonna need 2, but it looks like 1 is enough. Now it's time for the bulbs. First, I have to tie on the strings. Then we can hang each one on the tree. I don't want a lot of string hanging down, so I'm just tucking it into the tree. Decorating a miniature tree is just like decorating a large tree. It's pretty time consuming. And we can't skimp on the back of the tree. We have to decorate there too. Use buttons for ornaments to make a very festive tree. Take mini presents, pile a few in the back corner, take smaller ones, and we're just gonna add those right on top. I try to make sure my colors are alternating to add a little variety to the space. So now we have our tree. It's been decorated. We have lots of presents around the bottom. So all that's left is to add our dolls. Dress them up in their favorite holiday sweater, place a bulb on one hand, position them next to the tree without knocking everything over to make it look like the doll is decorating the tree. It almost feels like you're looking through a window into a mini world. Everything is inside of the lantern, so it's completely portable. We can place it on our fireplace, coffee table, or wherever we like. Have fun turning it around for different angles, so there's lots of opportunity to get some great photos. Change it around daily, having the doll do different things for a doll version of Elf on the Shelf. And if the doll gets tired of standing, we can always place a chair in the room so they can sit down next to the tree, enjoy the atmosphere, and have a nice cup of hot cocoa. I love that this craft allows our dolls to become a part of our holiday decorations. However you choose to set it up, we hope you have as much fun as we did making your own decorated lantern. Thank you for joining us while we decorated our lantern and created a fabulous doll display. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Gone, baby, the first snow.